Ayan guys, hello! So, I hope napanood niyo yung mga previous videos ko about sa mga benefits natin as an SSS member, sickness, disability, death, retirement, especially yung retirement, where kapag tanda mo, kung ilan yung makukuha mong pension, may computation tayo doon. So, I hope napanood niyo yun guys, and sana mag-subscribe kayo dito sa channel ko kasi I'm trying to reach 50,000 subscribers this year. So, please support me guys. Ayan, so ngayon naman, ang i-discuss natin is SSS funeral benefit. Okay, so ano nga ba yung SSS funeral benefit? Iba siya dun sa death benefit. Meron pa tayong funeral benefit. Okay, so yung funeral benefit, yun yung cash na binibigay para mabawasan naman yung cost ng funeral expenses ng isang pagkamatay ng isang SSS member. So, nag-start ng October 2023, yung funeral benefit ay eto. Kapag ang isang member ay merong at least 36 contributions hanggang dun sa time ng pagkamatay niya. Ang marireceive niya is 20,000 to a maximum of 60,000 pesos. Fixed amount naman, 12,000 pesos, kapag ang isang member ay nagbayad ng at least isa hanggang 36 contributions. So, makaisang bayad ka lang, pag namatay ka, may marireceive na 12,000 funeral benefit ang pamilya mo. Yun yung funeral benefit. Ano naman yung mga qualifying conditions? So, qualified to claim are those who defray the cost of funeral expenses upon the death of a member, permanent total disability pensioner, or retirement pensioner. So, how to apply online? Pwede kayong mag-apply online. So, click nyo lang yung funeral claim benefits. Ayan. So, sabihin nyo lang yung funeral expenses and i-validate yon ni SSS. So, huwag nyo kalimutan yan, guys. So, ipro-provide nyo lahat ng mga information na kailangan dun online and i-upload nyo yung mga supporting documents. And then, check nyo lang yung email nyo kung may notification si SSS para complete nyo yung mga requirements and mabigay agad sa inyo yung funeral claim. So, pwede nyo rin siyang i-apply over the counter. So, whichever is more convenient for you, pwede nyo siyang gawin. So, ganun lang kadali itong SSS funeral benefit. And I hope you like my content. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye!